Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your hot rod in your pellet grill, which heats up the pellets in your burn cup. I'm going to show you on a DLX, but it's applicable to many other pellet grills as well. Be sure that before we start doing this, that your pellet grill is unplugged and has had time to cool down. Let's get into it. First thing we need to do is take off the bottom panel from our hopper by undoing these 4 screws so that we can get to the connections. Now remove these bottom racks. To disconnect your hot rod from your controller, you can refer to the diagram on the back of your hopper, which says that the hot rod and burner is connected via the purple and white wires. So we're going to locate that here and undo that connection. Just like that. Once your hot rod is disconnected from the controller, you can pull the burn cup assembly up and out. Now you just need to take off this 1 screw to get your old hot rod out. Now you can grab your new hot rod and it's time to reinstall it. With your new hot rod, go ahead and stick it through so it sticks into the burn cup about 1/4 of an inch, and then tighten down the screw. You can now feed your new hot rod back down into the auger. Once you've fed your new hot rod down through your auger tube, we need to connect it to the controller. For the sake of this video, we're going to show you this on a hopper that is taken out of the pellet grill. You can do this however you'd like, but I'd like to show you a pro tip to save you some time and hopefully some stress. So because we need to feed it through this hole, it's kind of hard to get to. So the best way to do this is to take off this blower motor so that you can access it more easily. So now you can grab your new connector and feed it up through this hole right here and pull it straight out. You can then reinstall your blower motor. Now take your wire, feed it through this hole right here, and then connect A to A to the same one that you disconnected earlier. Now it's time to install these 4 screws around the burn cup again. Hope this video helped you guys. If you have any additional questions, please visit campchef.com or call our customer support helpline. As always, roll smoke, baby.